STILLFIN, Matt here, getting ready to explore some of these, as you can see already, old buildings over here. But I heard there's a lot more ruins along the trail that I'm getting ready to hike on, which the woods and stuff is over here, and it runs the trail all the way down that way and that way. Basically I'm just coming out here doing wood scavenging like always, and hopefully find some ruins that we could explore a little bit. But other than that, let's get to it. I thought those were bags and stuff. Here it's like burnt wood or something, or some kind of rock. Let's see what we got here. Ah, damn. Stick got me in the eye. My bad, I had to rub my eye. Oh, we got some stuff. What's this stuff? What? Dude, now that is a find. Holy shit. Dude, I wonder if it still works. It was under there. This is mine. I'm taking that back. I'm totally taking that back to the truck, and then I'm gonna come back. That is crazy. Oh my god, dude, this still gotta work, man. This looks brand new. This is totally mine. Awesome. Is there anything else? Put this down for now. What? Oh, hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I could use the hell out of this right now, man. What's this? This looks like some stuff. That is reckless, man. That made my day. That was the find. Holy crap. That's totally the find of the day right there. Yo, I'm not joking. I'm taking this back to the truck right now, dude. Right now. Then we'll film some more then. Alright. I'm pretty close to where I was when I found that battery charger thing. And just looking around at extra junk that may have been around and all that, but there's like a basketball sitting there deflated. And lawn chair and nothing. Hey, we got a trail here. Oh, we got something here. Another beet can. Guess I'll just follow the trail. Oh, we got more stuff here. this is. Looks like it was a trap or something. Whatever. Oh, look at this. Oh, damn. What? What? Now, these are ruins, man. This is what I'm talking about. Holy shit. Oh, shit. This is cool. Oh, man. You know what? Not gonna lie, it smells like piss, but hope this works. Oh yeah. Flashlight works, yo, we're going in. I'm going in, man. Got there's light on the other side. Put my book bag on. Hold up. Damn. Looks like somebody lives here. Somebody does live here. You know what, man? Somebody lives up in here. Maybe I can. So. Now that was reckless. Oh, there's something up there. Holy shit. Yeah, somebody definitely lived in there. That was cool, man. I don't even think I can get over here, man. I don't want to bust my ass. It's time to grab. I got inside. Inside. Oh. Nothing. Nothing. Still reckless, man. This is a hell of a find. Hell of a find. Hell of a find. That was nice. I gotta get over. Shit. Fucking branch broke, man. Stuck. Whew. Man, that could have been reckless. Okay, I'm out. That was cool. Man, is the adrenaline hot. Whoa, almost busted my ass again. That's nice. Bunch of cables, coat, and in the river. Yeah, so That tunnel back there, man. I kicked my ass. Especially carrying all the extra stuff with me and all that. But that was cool, man. I like that. Hope I find more stuff like that. But let's keep on searching, you know. Yeah, we got some walls up here at the top of the hill. About to hike up and see what it is. Liquor and some juice. Anything on the other side? Oh, there's more. All right. It's the roof. It looks like, hey, I know what this is. I know what this is. It's a bunch of concrete. That's what it is. I don't know what it is, I'm just joking. I wonder if these will lead anywhere. Straight through. Damn. Thorns, man. Damn, there's more. Yo, this would be a place to paintball, man. Oh, man. Now there's a lot of junk. This is what I'm talking about, man. Net, bunch of cans. Trucks, toys, really old TV. It's like part of a big wheel. Oh, there's the other half. I don't know what the hell this is. Damn, look at this thing. Old ass bike underneath here. I don't feel like digging it out though. So. Damn. There's a mailbox. Yo, this place is ridiculous, man. There's stuff everywhere. Look, there's a really old part of a building there. What the hell? Shit.
Yo, the way this is going, I might have to make 2 different videos for the same spot, man. I'm getting a lot of footage. Look at this. There's something up there too, but this is that wall. Keep hearing trees creaking. Ah, damn. Ah, my ear. Ah. Shit, this looks like part of a castle or something, man. Okay, I'm not going that way. Looks like there's a company. That's it, man. This just keeps going, man. There's more over here. Damn. This is reckless, man. Whoa, it looks like it's drop off. Yeah, this is high, man. Stuck. Yeah, it's a nice little drop, dude. I'm good on that. This looks like a way down. Okay. I don't see no cliffs or drop-offs. I made it down. I scaled the cliff and mountain. That's where I came from, up there. See their edge up there? And all that stuff on down. These are old buildings. And then I ended up over here. So that was cool, man. Didn't get killed. I was able to film this video, thank God. And it's just a hole. That is reckless, man. Hell of a thing. That was cool. That's where we started, over there. But I found more right next to where we started. I didn't even know it was here. Some stuff over there. It looks like it drops down. Hold on. Let me get the light going here. Shit, there's an opening down there. It looks like there's light. There's light coming from down there. Back up there. That was reckless. Holy crap, it goes this way too? Yeah, I ain't going down there unless I got a friend, man. Screw that. Bring a buddy along for that one. Let's get out of this tent thing. Oh, man. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. So this is my one find for the day out in the woods from wood scavenging. And that is a great find, man. Look at that. I could jump start batteries now without a car or anything else, man. I'm good to go. Now, let's just hope it works. That is the only find I found, but well worth it, man. That's nice. Proud of that. Other than that, we had a lot of experiences in exploration today, which was absolutely awesome, man. That was crazy. I liked it. I might even come back. I don't even think we've seen everything. So, other than that, please subscribe. My name's STILLFIN, all caps, one word, and thank you for watching.